Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I am going to make salsa, and I've already blanched and chopped the tomatoes. Now I'm going to chop the rest of the veggies. So let's get started. We're going to need 2.5 cups green bell peppers. I'm not going to worry about how I chop them because I'm going to put them in the little food processor and chop them up even better. I think my knife is kind of dull from chopping all those tomatoes. I've done, with these tomatoes, it will be 150 pounds of paste tomatoes that I've processed and canned so far this year. I'm not going to do any more. I'm sick of tomatoes. It's on to something else. I might have to go back out to the garden and get some more bell peppers. Next, we're going to do 2.5 cups of white onions. Y'all, I can't believe it is this warm in Minnesota. I'm sweating in this kitchen today. And it's October. And again, it doesn't matter how big of a chunk I'm going to do because I'm going to put all of this in the food processor. Oh, I can feel the tears coming. Doggone it. Alright, we got the onions done. And we're going to do these jalapenos. I'm going to do 2 reds and 1 green. And again, this is going to go in the food processor, so I just want to get the biggest parts chopped up. Put them in my bowl. Alright, I'm going to go get my food processor. I'm going to go ahead and put my tomatoes in my pot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 9 cups of tomatoes in my stock pot. I love this little thing. I use it for everything. Oh, that sun is bright. Everything is in the pot. I'm going to add a few more things, but I'm going to let this heat up first. Gonna add some garlic. This was probably about 10 little, not 10, about 8 cloves. I'm going to hit that with a stick blender once it gets going too. Alrighty, I'm going to add 1 cup of white vinegar. Going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano. Give that a mix. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Tony's. I'm going to take my little wand here and chop some of this up. So this is not going to be a spicy. I used the 3 jalapenos, but they are not spicy. So, and I don't have any more. So this is going to have to do. We'll just have to add something to it later. I'm going to wait for this to come to a boil and then I can start packing jars. I'll also show you the consistency. That's about what it's like. It's not totally smooth, but that's how we like it. Like that. This is almost ready, but I don't, it doesn't have enough heat for me. So I am going to put some sriracha sauce in it. See how that does. I'm going to put a tablespoon in. That should give it some kick. Alright, let's see. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. We'll start jarring it up here soon. Alright, I'm ready to fill. So to heat my jars, all I do is I turn my hot water on high and get it as hot as it can be. The jars are clean, they're washed. So all I do is heat them with the hot water, one at a time. And then I fill my jars. And of course you leave a 1-inch headspace. And I fill it up to that first little rim. Alright, now you wanna take some vinegar and wipe the rims. Alright. And then you want to take your lids, put them on. And all you'll need is a water bath canner for this. and then just finger tight. I just do it loosely. It's not tight at all. Just enough to hold the lid in place, basically. I have my rack hanging out the water. Oh, let's put one in the middle. Still gotta go and feed the rabbits tonight. Alright, I'm going to drop these down. Hopefully. Oh, I'm going to have to put some more water. Ooh. Alright, I'm going to put the lid back on, wait for that to come back to boil, and then once it starts boiling, we will time it for 30 minutes. Alright y'all, we're boiling. Going for 30 minutes. Alright everybody, I'm done canning all of my salsa. I made mild salsa with the mild jalapenos that I showed you. And then I went and I bought some spicy or hot jalapenos, and I used 3 in the same recipe for these jars. And it turned out really good. Joe and I have already eaten 2 jars of this. So if you make it, let me know what you think. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.